Hello everybody and welcome to JesterChef. Today we are cooking banana bread. First, lightly grease your loaf tin and line it with non-stick baking parchment. Next, take your bananas and mash them up until they look like disgusting baby food. You should have 175 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of butter that's been softened in the microwave, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 2 mashed bananas, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and also 2 tablespoons of milk. Also, don't forget your cat toy. Next, put all the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Sometimes the baby food will get stuck. Always use a spoon. Next, crack 2 eggs. Making sure to mess up the second one and getting any shell that you get stuck in the mixture out of there. Add your teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure to clean up any mess. You don't need the police seeing that. Remember what happened last time you left out white powder in the kitchen. Clean it up and make sure the evidence can't be found. Next, your 2 tablespoons of milk. Finally, you're done. Next, take your electric whisk that you didn't even know you had after 2 house moves and use it carefully, trying not to splash it all over the kitchen. When it's done, it should look a lot like baby vomit. Tastes like it too. Next, pour it into your tin, making sure to scoop out all of the mixture out of the mixing bowl. And try a little bit yourself too. Measure out some foil, you'll need that later. Put it in the oven, which should have been preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. And call Alexa. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes, banana bread.
Banana bread timer, 30 minutes, starting now.
Remember the cat toy from earlier? That's right, you've now got 30 minutes of playing with your cat. After 30 minutes, make sure you check the banana bread, see how it's going on, cover it with foil to stop the top from burning, and put it back in the oven for 30 minutes. Once again, we're going to need Alexa. Alexa, set a banana bread timer for 30 minutes.
Banana bread timer, 30 minutes, starting now.
After 1 hour, your banana bread should be perfectly cooked. Stab it in the middle to make sure it's dry and not moist still. Take it out of the tin and put it on a cooling rack. Also make sure you try a bit. It's good. Once it's cooled down after about 20 to 30 minutes, you can transfer it to a container. Cut yourself off a couple of slices for yourself and maybe your girlfriend. it through to the front room like a professional chef. And taste test.